guys, so I posted a video talking about, the Jamaicans burned this racist hotel down because they did not want any black people to checked into their hotel. So it happened in Port Antonio, Jamaica, and the people who did it was some Caucasian and some Chinese. So they built an hotel, and also they sectioned a piece of the private beach and said that they did not want any black people to be included. So they just kind of like, yep, we're gonna do our own thing. We're gonna section off a piece of the beach, and we're gonna just build an hotel. We're gonna use these black people to help us build the hotel, and then we're gonna say they're not included. Oh yeah, so the Jamaican was like, we're not having it, so we're gonna burn it down. And that's exactly what happened. So I do have a video of the fire, and I also want to let you guys know it.
So disclaimer, I'm not saying the activity that occurred in this video is good or that it should be applauded, but I will say I understand. In Port Antonio, Jamaica, this hotel was burnt to the ground because the owners of the hotel basically put a policy saying that no Jamaicans could stay there. Only Chinese and Caucasian guests were allowed to stay and utilize the private beach. Now, it should be clarified that the owners of the hotel are not Jamaican themselves and are believed, I don't know for sure, but are believed to be Chinese investors from, China. Anyways, here's the video. No, I'm not saying what they did was correct, but if you know Jamaicans.
Hey, we just have a question. Now watch me here. I cut off my lock, so I try and navigate through this short here thing. How Chinese man go come to Jamaica and build hotel and say black people can't come there? That's why them burn it down. Me no condone violence, but Jamaicans, anytime them come to Jamaica with this foolishness, we need to burn down everything. Because they want to turn Jamaica in our new America, in our new UK, in our new China, in our new Western world, where white man and Chinese man and everybody except melanated people are run shit. Anytime they come to Jamaica with this bullshit, we need to stand firm. Don't sit down and take it, Jamaicans. You hear me? Don't sit down and take it, because if we allow them to do this, first they must start with the hotels, then they must start with the big industrial sectors, and then they must start talk about say we can't go there, and we can't. You can't tell we what we do in every country. Jamaica, we born and grow. You're a visitor. You hear that? You're a visitor. And no matter how the politicians them hyping up and telling us, you can't do this and you can't do that, guess what? We have something called community justice. And if you no piss we off enough, we are gonna react. We're not like, sorry, me not bash Americans or whatever, but we're not like Americans where we are gonna just complain. We with Black Road, we bun tire, and we cause problem. Here? Don't come to Jamaica, can't tell me about black people can't use free, God-given rights in a free country. Can't use hotel, can't use beach, can't use what next? Can't use hospital.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment. So guys, in today's clip we're going to watch a Chinese restaurant being burnt down by Jamaicans. That Chinese restaurant was burned down by Jamaicans due to racism. That Chinese restaurant was built there by Chinese people and did not allow black people or Jamaican people to go there, which was not a good picture, which showed that Chinese had racism. They only allowed Chinese people or Caucasian people to go there and did not allow black people or Jamaican people to go there, simply because they feel like being black is a disease, simply because they still support racism, simply because they feel like black people are there to drag them down, which is not a good thing. We all know when investors are coming to a country to invest there, they should allow the people from that country to also support the business. But these Chinese people did not allow the people from Jamaica to go to that hotel because they felt like Chinese black people are there to drag their business down, which was not right. We all know Chinese people were racist and felt like being black is a disease. I don't support their act of burning the hotel, but according to me, I think like that the Jamaicans tried their level best. They even notified the government, but the government did not hear them. So they decided to take actions in their hands, which was to ban the hotel. Burning the hotel down made them feel a bit ease, because they felt like these people are coming to their country to invest, and yet they're denying them the chance to go to those restaurants, which was not a good idea. We all know that when investors are coming to a country, we are allowed to do anything unless it's a private property. But that restaurant was not a private property. It was a restaurant built there for people to go, but only Chinese people and Caucasian people were allowed in there, which was a bad thing. So guys, if it was for the first time coming across this video, so kindly subscribe, comment, like and share. Bye. Let's meet on the next video for more.